Hello, this is Praveen. Today we are going to learn about rational exponent. Before you watch this video, please subscribe the channel so that you will not miss the video in upcoming days. And what I recommend to you that first you have to watch exponent video. This will help to understand the basic concept of exponent. And you can see the earlier exponent video in description below. Okay, now let's go. What is rational? A number which can be expressed in the form of a by b is called rational number, where b not equal to 0. For example, 5 by 8, 4 by 5, 1 by 2, these are rational number. Now move to the question. On question number 1, simplify the following problem. 8 divided by 27 to the power 2 by 3. Here you go. We can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. Similarly, we can write 27 as 3 to the power 3 to the power 2 by 3. Now we have to assign the exponent separately and use a power of exponent property. What happens in power of exponent property is that if second exponent is raised to the expression which already have one exponent, then two exponents are multiplied. That means a to the power x to the power y means power is multiplied. That means a to the power xy. In our question, then we have to use power of exponent property. Now we have to multiply power. 2 to the power 3 multiply 2 by 3. On denominator, 3 to the power 3 multiply 2 by 3. 3 cancel, and on denominator 3 cancel. 2 square divided by 3 square. 2 square means 4. 3 square means 9. Now move to the question number 2. 27 divided by 64 to the power minus 2 divided by 3. The question looks like the previous one. How can we write 27? We can write 27 as 3 to the power 3. Similarly, we can write 64 as 4 to the power 3 to the power minus 2 by 3. Now assign the exponent separately and use a power of exponent property. That means 3 to the power 3 multiply minus 2 by 3. 4 to the power 3 multiply minus 2 by 3. 3 cancel. 3 cancel. 3 to the power minus 2. 4 to the power minus 2. Now we have negative power on numerator and denominator. To make a positive, just move 3 to the power minus 2 to denominator and 4 to the power minus 2 to numerator. That means 4 square by 3 square. 4 square means 16. 3 square means 9. If you have some confusion on these steps, you can also do like this. We can write a to the power minus 1 as 1 by a. Similarly, we can write 3 to the power minus 2 as 1 by 3 square. Divided by 4 to the power minus 2 as 1 by 4 square. 1 by 3 square, and this 4 square will be gone on numerator. Multiply 4 square by 1. 4 square means 16. 3 square means 9. So you can do any one method, whichever you like easier. Now move to the question number 3. 27 to the power minus 2 divided by 1 by 6. First we have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiplied. 27 to the power minus 2 multiply 1 by 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 27 to the power minus 1 by 3. Similarly, we can write 27 as 3 to the power 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. Again, we have to use power of exponent property. 3 to the power 3 multiply minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel. 3 to the power minus 1. We can write 3 to the power minus 1 as 1 by 3. Now move to the another question. Question number 4. 16 to the power minus 1 by 4. We can write 16 as 2 to the power 4 to the power minus 1 by 4. Now we have to use power of exponent property. 2 to the power 4 multiply minus 1 by 4. 4 cancel, 2 to the power minus 1. We can write 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2. Now move to the question number 5. Simplify the following problem. 64 power 1 divided by 2 to the whole power 1 divided by 3. Here you go. We have to use the power of exponent property. That means power is multiplied. 64 to the power 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 3. 64, 3 multiplied to 6. 64 to the power 1 divided by 6. We can also write 64 as 2 to the power 6 to the power 1 by 6. Now again use power of exponent property. 6 multiply 1 by 6. 6 cancel, 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2. Now move to the question number 6. Expressed in the form of x to the power n. X to the power minus 3 by 4 to the power minus 4 by 6. Now we have to use the power of exponent property. That means power is multiplied. X to the power minus 3 by 4 multiply minus 4 by 6. 4 cancel, 6 divided by 3, 2. And the negative multiply negative makes positive. Answer is x to the power 1 by 2. Now move to the question number 7. X to the power 2 by 3 to the power 4 by 6. In this question, we have to use the power of exponent property. X to the power 2 by 3 multiply 4 by 6. Here you go, x to the power 8 by 18. We have to write the reduced power. Here you go, 8 by 18. 8 divided by 2, 4. 18 divided by 2, 9. So we can write x to the power 4 by 9. Now move to the question number 8. Choose the correct answer. 2 to the power 1 by 3 multiply 2 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, we have a same base 2. If we have same base, power is added. That means 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. The LCM is 3, 1 plus 2. 2 to the power 3 by 3. 3 cancel. 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2. The answer is 2. Now move to the question number 9. Choose the correct answer. 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 multiply 9 to the power 2 by 3. Here you go, 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. In such types of question, always try to make same base. We can write 9 as 3 square to the power 2 by 3. 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 multiply. We have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiply. 2 multiply 2, 4 divided by 3. Now we have to multiplication property. If we have same base, power is added. That means 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. 3 to the power, the LCM is 3 minus 1 plus 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 to the power 3 by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 to the power 1 means 3. The answer is 3. Now move to the question number 10. Simplify the following problem. 27 by 125 to the power minus 1 by 3 divided by 9 by 25 to the power minus 1 by 2. We can write 27 as 3 to the power 3 divided by 125 as 5 to the power 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 divided by, we can write 9 as 3 square, and 25 is 5 square to the power minus 1 by 2. Now we have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiply. 3 to the power 3 multiply minus 1 by 3. 5 to the power 3 multiply minus 1 by 3. Similarly on denominator, 3 square multiply minus 1 by 2. 5 square multiply minus 1 by 2. Here you go, 3 3 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel. 3 to the power minus 1, 5 to the power minus 1. 3 to the power minus 1, 5 to the power minus 1. Here you go, we have same term in numerator and denominator. Or you can also write like this, 3 to the power minus 1, 5 to the power minus 1. This 5 to the power minus 1 will go on numerator. 5 to the power minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. Here you go. This one cancel, this one cancel. The answer is 1. If you have confusion in these steps, you can also do like this. 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1. Multiply 5 to the power minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. 3 to the power minus 1. This 3 to the power minus 1 is negative in denominator. If we move to numerator, it's gonna be positive. Multiply 3 to the power 1. Similarly, 5 to the power minus 1 multiply. When this 5 to the power minus 1 will move to numerator, this is gonna be positive. 5 to the power 1. If you multiply the exponent of same base, power is added. That means 3 to the power minus 1 plus 1 multiply 5 to the power minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 positive 1 0 multiply minus 1 plus 1 0. 3 to the power 0 means 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. 1 multiply 1. Answer is 1. Now move to the question number 11. Choose the correct answer. Here you go. 64 x to the power 3 divided by 27 x to the power minus 3 to the power minus 2 by 3. We can write 64 as 4 to the power 3 x to the power 3. Similarly, we can write 27 as 3 to the power 3 x to the power minus 3 to the power minus 2 by 3. Now assign the exponent separately and use the power of exponent property. That means power is multiply. 4 to the power 3 multiply minus 2 by 3. X to the power 3 multiply minus 2 by 3. 3 to the power 3 multiply minus 2 by 3. X to the power minus 3 multiply minus 2 by 3. This 3 3 cancel, 3 3 cancel. On denominator this 3 3 cancel, this 3 3 cancel. 4 to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2. 3 to the power minus 2, x to the power. This negative and negative multiply, that makes positive. From these steps, it just looks like question number 2. To make a positive power, just move 4 to the power minus 2 and x to the power minus 2 to denominator and move 3 to the power minus 2 to numerator. That means 3 square by 4 square x to the power 2. When x to the power minus 2 move to denominator, power is positive. That means 2 plus 2. 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. X to the power 2 plus 2, 4. Answer is C. Now move to the question number 12. We can write 125 as 5 to the power 3, x to the power 13, y to the power 13, to the power 1 divided by 4, multiply 5 x to the power minus 5, y to the power 3, to the power 1 by 4. Now we have to use the power of exponent property. That means power is multiply. 5 to the power 3 multiply 1 by 4. x to the power 13 multiply 1 by 4, y to the power 13 multiply 1 by 4. Five to the power 1 by 4, x to the power minus 5 multiply 1 by 4, y to the power 3 multiply 1 by 4. Five to the power 3 multiply 1 divided by 4, 3 by 4. X to the power 13 by 4, y to the power 13 by 4. Multiply 5 to the power 1 by 4, x to the power minus 5 by 4, y to the power 3 by 4. If we multiply the exponent of same base, power is added. That means 5 to the power 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, x to the power 13 by 4 minus 5 by 4, y to the power 13 by 4 plus 3 by 4. The LCM is 4, 3 plus 1, 4. Similarly, the LCM is 4, 13 minus 5, 8. Y to the power 13 plus 3, 16. 4 divided by 4, 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. 16 divided by 4, 4. 5x square y to the power 4. Answer is D. To the question number 13. 125 x to the power 1 by 2 y to the power 6 divided by 5 x to the power minus 1 by 4 y square to the power square. Now first try to solve the denominator part. 125 x to the power 1 by 2 y to the power 6. We have to use power of exponent property. 5 square means 25. X to the power minus 1 by 4 multiply 2, y to the power 2 multiply 2. 125 x to the power 1 by 2, y to the power 6, 25, 4 divided by 2, 2. X to the power minus 1 by 2, y to the power 4. 125 divided by 25, 5. X to the power 1 by 2. On denominator, it has power negative. When it moves to numerator, it's going to be positive. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Y to the power 6. The power of y on denominator is positive. When it moves to numerator, it's going to be negative. Minus 4. 5. X to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. The power is 1. Y. 6 minus 4, 2. The answer is 5x y square. The correct answer is B. Now move to the question number 14. 27 x to the power 3 y to the power 9 to the power 1 by 3 divided by 16 x to the power 4 y to the power 12 to the power 1 divided by 4. Here you go. We can write 27 as 3 to the power 3, x to the power 3, y to the power 9, to the whole power 1 by 3, divided by, similarly in denominator, we can write 16 as 2 to the power 4, x to the power 12, x to the power 4, y to the power 12, to the whole power 1 by 4. Now we have to use the power of exponent property. That means power is multiply. 3 to the power 3 multiply 1 by 3, x to the power 3 multiply 1 by 3, y to the power 9 multiply 1 by 3. On denominator, 2 to the power 4 multiply 1 by 4, x to the power 4 multiply 1 by 4, y to the power 12 multiply 1 by 4. Power 3 cancel, 3 cancel, 9 divided by 3, 3. On denominator, 4 cancel. 4 cancel. 2 will divided by 4, 3. 3 by 2 x y to the power 3. Similarly, on denominator, x y to the power 3. The term xy cube cancel. 3 by 2. The answer is C, 3 by 2. Now move to the question number 15. 16 x to the power 8 y square to the power 1 by 2 multiply 3 x cube y to the power 1 by 3. We can write 16 as 4 square x to the power 8 y square to the power 1 by 2 multiply 3 x to the power 3 y to the power 1 by 3. Now use power of exponent property. 4 square multiply 1 by 2 x to the power 8 multiply 1 by 2 y square multiply 1 by 2 multiply 3 x to the power 3 y to the power 1 by 3. 2 cancel. 8 divided by 2, 4. 2 cancel. 4 x to the power 4 y multiply 3 x to the power 3 y to the power 1 by 3. 4 multiply 3, 12. X to the power, if you multiply the exponent of same base, power is added. That means x to the power 4 plus 3. Similarly, y to the power 1 plus 1 by 3. 2n x 4 plus 3, 7. Y 1 plus 1 by 3, that makes 4 by 3. The answer is C, 12 x to the power 7 y to the power 4 by 3. Now move to the question number 16. 7 x to the power 9 y to the power minus 6 z to the power 1 by 3 multiply 3 x to the power minus 2 y to the power 4 z to the power 5 by 3. Here you go. 7 multiply 3, 21. X to the power 9, x to the power minus 2. If you multiply exponent of same property, power is added. That means x to the power 9 minus 2. Similarly, y to the power minus 6, y to the power 4. Minus 6 plus 4. Z to the power 1 by 3 and z to the power 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. 21 x to the power 9 minus 2, 7. Y to the minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Z to the power, the LCM is 3. 1 plus 5. 21 x to the power 7. The power of y is negative. If we move to the denominator, it's gonna be positive. Y square z to the power 1 plus 5, 6 by 3. 21 x to the power 7. 6 divided by 3, 2. Z square by y square. The answer is B, 21 x to the power 7 z square divided by y square. Now move to the question number 17. 63 x y 5 to the power 2 z to the power minus 2 divided by 9 x to the power minus 6 y to the power 1 by 2 z. Here you go. 63 divided by 9, 7 x. On denominator, the power of x is negative. If you move to the numerator, it's gonna be positive. That means 1 plus 6 y to the power 5 by 2. The power of y on denominator is 1 by 2. If we move to numerator, it's gonna be negative, minus 1 by 2. Similarly, power of z is negative on numerator. If we move to denominator, it's gonna be positive. That means z to the power 1 plus 2. 7 x to the power 1 plus 6, 7 y to the power, the LCM is 2, 5 minus 1 divided by z to the power 1 plus 2, 3. 7 x to the power 7, 5 minus 1, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. Y square z to the power 3. The answer is D, 7 x to the power 7 y square divided by z cube. And now move to the last question, question number 18. It looks like so difficult, but it is not so difficult. We have to assign the exponent separately and use a power of exponent property. That means power is multiply. X to the power b multiply 1 by bc. X to the power c multiply 1 by bc. Similarly, x to the power c multiply 1 by ca. X to the power a multiply 1 by ca. Multiply x to the power a multiply 1 by ab. X to the power b multiply 1 by ab. Here you go, bb cancel, cc cancel, aa cancel, cc cancel, aa cancel, bb cancel. Here you go, 1 to the power, only 1 by c is remaining. X to the power 1 by c, x to the power 1 by b. Multiply x to the power 1 by a divided by x to the power 1 by c. Multiply x to the power 1 by b, x to the power 1 by a. X to the power 1 by c, x to the power 1 by c. Cancel. X to the power 1 by a, x to the power 1 by a. Cancel. X to the power 1 by b, x to the power 1 by b. Cancel. Here is go. The answer is 1. This is the last question of Algebra 1 rational exponent. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.